Many of us are very worried about the video intro on our YouTube channel. So today I will talk about intro. You can easily create intro of your YouTube channel. So let's see.
I got broads in Atlanta, the scammers, hitting no licks in the band.
At first, you go to this website fanjoy.com. You can choose as a homepage. After coming here, you can choose the intro of your choice by scrolling. Now to edit the intro of your choice, at first you have to click on the intro of your choice. Open the clip maker. We'll click on this option to edit the intro. Now click on the object. Here you will find many options. You can enter your channel name in the text. Here you will find fonts, size, position, colors, custom edits, everything. From here you can edit as you wish. You can see your intro by turning off the eye option to view your intro. If you turn it on again, you can edit. You can set up video, audio from here. And the last time you click on the download option, your intro will be suitable for download and you can download. Your intro will download the MKV file. So you can convert the MKV file to MP4 file from another website. I'll give the links in the description. So this way we can easily create our intro without any efforts with just one website. So for today, stay tuned by subscribing. Thanks.